At DeHart Plumbing, Heating and Air, we believe our customers deserve the very best every time. Since 1946, we have proudly served our communities with honesty, integrity, and a whole lot of heart. Providing expert plumbing, heating, cooling, and air quality solutions, we deliver dependable service backed by industry-leading warranties, all with you in mind. Whether it's a leaky pipe or faulty air conditioner, our award-winning team is available 24/7 because your comfort can't wait. We don't just hire the best, we develop the best through our DeHart Technical School. And we love to give back through local sponsorships, outreach, and community support. Want year-round peace of mind? Join our Love Club for routine maintenance and priority care. We're here to keep your home safe, efficient, and comfortable every step of the way. Call or book online today. At DeHart Plumbing, Heating and Air, you are the heart of our business.